Hi everyone, it's Joy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's review the crochet pattern for Scorpio princess inside the Zodiac princess amigurumi collection, including 12 amigurumi doll for Zodiac's astrology signs. Is it so cool? Crochet your own Zodiac sign, or this is the perfect birthday gift for Scorpios? I appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get updated if you like my videos. This is a total no seams pattern. You can crochet on the body and head in one piece and then glue the hair with the fabric glue into the head. The clothes are also removable. That's easy to crochet and remove and mix and match with other princes in the collection. Now let's dress up Scorpio Princess amigurumi doll, and I hope you have fun playing around. And if you love to crochet your own Scorpio doll as well as other Zodiac Princess doll, you can find the link in the description below. Especially consider to join my Crochet Heart, the membership program, for the massive discounts and a lot of special bonuses.